U.S. chip stocks look ready to pull back. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Nvidia looks as if it is going to pull back just a bit at the open here on Thursday, as the market has gotten a little bit overdone to the upside. That does make a certain amount of sense. After all, gravity comes back into the picture sooner or later. And at this point, I think short-term pullbacks probably offer buying opportunities all the way down to about $120 a share. To the upside, I see some resistance near the $142 level, and then again near $150. I am bullish. I just think we're a little overdone. AMD looks as if it is going to pull back a bit as well, which makes a certain amount of sense considering that we failed at the 200-day EMA during the previous session. But I don't necessarily think this is a market that is going to suddenly fall apart. I think it's more or less a market that's going to pull back, find buyers, and continue to the upside. We are starting to see a nice recovery across the board with a lot of tech-related companies, and I do think AMD is going to join that party, especially as we have seen a major trend line broken to the upside. Looking at Intel, it looks like we are going to pull back just a bit in the early hours as well as we continue to play around in this basing pattern. I think this is a market that eventually does take off to the upside, but it's more of a buy on the dip situation as you're building an accumulative position for longer term trading. If we could clear the $26 level again, I think that could open up a big move to the upside. But right now, I think we're more likely than not going to just bounce around in this general vicinity as we are trying to sort out what to do next in a market that, quite frankly, has potential to make people quite a bit of money from a longer term standpoint, but right now it's just back and forth. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.